Hi, we have learned a lot of things in Paint. So today let us revise and learn to draw something. Okay, we'll make some picture. I'm going to learn how to make a nice little bird. Okay, so I'm going to make a bird for you, and then y'all can try out various other pictures. Y'all are good artists, I'm sure. Y'all can try out various other pictures that you like. Okay, I'm just doing one for you so you get an idea of how to use these shapes, and then you can improvise. And I know you're a fantastic artist. I'm just using paint to be a better one. All right, so this is my little birdie that I am making using the oval shape, the line, and the triangle, right? So you can see how I have made my birdie trying to fly with the triangles showing it's in flight, right? And the legs here. Okay, they're a bit too small, but we'll manage something, right? And I guess we have managed. Okay, let's make a little eye for our birdie. Well, the bird is ready. Now, if you look at the picture, you can see that this portion of the triangle is actually on the other side. The wing is the other side. So let's try and make a 3D effect. Okay. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to select this portion. Okay. Then I go to select. I do transparent selection. And I make that disappear. Okay. So now my bird looks like as though it is really flying. So when you have a white background behind, you select that portion that you want to make it go behind or whatever, and go on to transparent selection. So that portion becomes transparent and you can see the bird actually flying. Now, this is just one of the shapes I've shown you, or one picture. You can try out as you like. Okay, now I'll just show you another feature in Paint that you can do. And me back again with my Avengers, my favorites. Okay, I know. Now supposing I want to flip this picture. Okay, what does flip mean? Flip means to move it in a mirror image. Okay, you flip it. So a vertical flip would show me this way, and I bring it back. Okay, then a horizontal flip is an exact mirror image. Can you see Thor was on my left, now he's on my right. Okay, so this is what happens when you do flip horizontal or vertical. And the other feature is rotating the image. Now when you rotate an image, it is rotated at an angle. Now what is an angle? An angle is something like this. When two lines meet at one point, it's called an angle. So this is a right angle. Okay, that is 90 degrees, right? So here, and we have a straight angle that is 180 degrees. Okay, this is straight, this is a right angle, and this is 180 degrees, where you flip it. Sorry, here you rotate it because it's an angle. So when you rotate it at 90 degrees, can you see how it's moved? It moves in the clockwise direction. And then again, I rotate it left, I bring it back. Okay, so I'll show you a 180-degree rotation. It goes upside down. Okay, but this moves at every turn like a clock. You have it this way, and you have this way, then this way, and then you bring it back. Right. But a flip is up or down or vertical. Okay. So this is what is a rotation or a flip picture in Paint. Now, if I need to copy a image, okay, now I just want to copy the face of Captain America. Okay, I go to select, I select his face, and I click on copy, and then I do paste. Okay, then I click paste again and again. How many have I got? I do paste again. When you do copy paste, you get multiple copies of the same image that you are copy pasting. But if I select, all right, and I do cut, and then I paste it somewhere else, okay, it's gone from the original location. So this is the simple difference between copy paste and cut paste. When you cut paste, the original location does not have the file or the picture anymore. It moves to the next location that you're putting it in. But when you copy paste, you have the original in its place and you have many more duplicates made. All right. So this was about rotating, flipping, and cut, copy, pasting. These are a few features of editing in Paint. So I would like you to try out and create some pictures out of your creativity. Maybe you could make a Diwali firecrackers and things like that, or diya, whatever, or maybe save the earth. Some kind of poster you could try out and work in your practicals. Thank you for watching.